In this video, I'll be going over how to find the surface area of a cone. The formula for surface area of a cone is the area of the base plus the lateral area. Or it would be pi r squared plus pi rs. The s here is the slant height of the cone. So it's not the height, but the slant height. And below is an example of a cone, and we'll be finding out the surface area of it. The figure on the right is a cone with a radius of 3 feet. And the 9 feet here is not the height, but the slant height of the cone. Notice how the height of the cone was not provided, as it's actually not needed for the surface area of a cone. So if we plug in the value into the formula, we will have pi r is 3, so it will be 3 squared. Then we want to add pi times the radius 3, and the slant height is 9. Now 3 times 3 is 9, so we have 9 pi plus 3 times 9 is 27, so we have 27 pi. And if we take 9 pi plus 27 pi, we would get 36 pi. And that's feet squared. Now if we want the exact number, we can replace the pi with 3.14, and 36 times by 3.14, punching that in the calculator would be 113.04 feet squared. In the figure on the right, you will see it's the opened version of the cone, and the area of the base would be the pi r squared, and the lateral area is pi rs. And so when we find out the surface area of a cone, we're taking the base plus the pi rs. And that's how we come up with the formula of pi r squared plus pi rs. And for this example, after we plug in the value, we would get 113.04 feet squared. So this is how you would find the surface area of a cone. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.